Welcome, you guys. It's so good to have you today. You know, this channel is, the tagline is beauty for all ages. But the real thing is beauty. I love all things beauty, from makeup to paintings to just scenery. I mean, it's just, we live in a beautiful world, and it's nice to acknowledge all things beauty. So today we are discussing Disney. So for those of you that know me, you already know I'm a Disney fanatic. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a Disney fanatic. Last year, we were at Disneyland, and I've gone to Disneyland truly my entire life. I was born in Anaheim. My father's a retired Anaheim policeman. I love everything the city has to offer, which happens to be a big part of that is Disneyland. So last year, we're at Disneyland, and we don't always go to ride the rides. We just kind of go because it's a magical place and it makes me feel happy and in a really good mood. We're walking around, and I think we had gotten some snacks. We're in New Orleans Square because it's iconic and one of a kind place. And we are walking through, and we walk into this little perfumery. I had no idea it was there, and it's beautiful. You guys, like, next time you're there, you gotta go. It's called Antoinette's Perfumery, and I found out that Walt built this for his wife Lillian, and it just made it even more magical as we were in there. The sales girl, which her name is Jacqueline. Jacqueline, you are awesome. If you ever watch this, you are amazing. She started just sharing about the store. And she was, sharing about the fragrances, and it was truly memorable. Now, fast forward, and it's probably been a year, and I wanted to share with you guys, we're discussing things that I want to share with you. And one of those topics was this perfumery. And so we go there, and sure enough, we walk in, and my husband goes, "That's her." And it was Jacqueline. And so she helped us, and my husband purchased my first perfume from Antoinette's Perfumery. And I wanted to unwrap it for you because I have been dying. It's been like 2 days, and it's been sitting here because I wanted to wait to open it with you. So Antoinette houses 5 brands, which is Christian Dior, Guerlain, Givenchy, Acqua di Parma, and Fendi. And it is a very special place. They only sell in either the boutique, which would be the name brand boutique. I have not been, but they have them, or at Disneyland. And so these are very special perfumes. So the box says, "I am absolutely essential and utterly irresistible. I am La Petite Robe Noire." And that is the name of the fragrance that I chose. So many things are special about this perfumery. Let me get back to Jacqueline. She was so informative, so wonderful, and she really helped us make the perfect choice. And I want to show you the bottle, because the bottle is beautiful. Look at that. Another part of buying fragrance, for me personally, is the presentation. Not only is the scent gorgeous, but I just want to put it on because I'm going to be in that little black dress in my mind. when I'm wearing it. This one actually has bergamot and raspberry, so you can't smell it, but it is so tasteful and beautiful. Another little thing about the Parfumerie is what they will do is they have a bottle painter that comes in, and she will customize your bottle. And she'll either paint something on it, or they even have Swarovski crystals that they'll place on the bottle to make it even more personal. I mean, are you surprised? It's Walt Disney, of course. The decor, the chandelier is beautiful. They have a painting on the wall that is a reverse painting, which they don't even do anymore. I just learned about it myself, but it's gorgeous. And everything is in pristine condition. It's so wonderful, you guys. You need to go check it out because it just makes you feel fabulous. It would be great for a gift. It would be great to treat yourself. It would be great to take your mom. I mean, so many options and so many fragrances. This is a one-of-a-kind perfumery that Disneyland has. Some of these perfumes you can only find at Disneyland. You're gonna find classics, you're gonna find hard to finds that you would think the brand doesn't even make anymore and Disney will have it. So that's kind of cool. And then they do have their newer ones. They had some new ones there that I smelled, although this one grabbed my heart. I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you could visit sometime. And if you have visited, please comment below and let me know your experience and your story. Maybe you have something special. With perfume, it truly is about experience. There's certain perfumes that you think of and you think of that person. Okay, I'm composed. Sorry about that. Anyways, what I was saying is fragrances have special spots in our hearts. And I will just leave it there.